Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are well and staying at home. I am Sonia Sultana. Welcome to my class. Today topic is a rainy season. So ready? Let's start.
Draw a house. Draw the line. Draw the view. Draw tree. Draw the layout properly. Draw flower, grasses and plum tree. And start coloring. I can use the blue color. This is blue, oil pastel color. I can use green color. This is green. Blend the color. Blending properly. I can use yellow color. This is yellow and blend it properly. This is green color. Blend it. This is light green. Blend it. Upper portion are yellow color. Draw the line. I can use pencil color. This is brown pencil color. I can use light green color. This is pastel color. I can use brown color. This is oil pastel color. This is brown. Blend it properly and draw the shaping line. I can use black pencil color. I can use blue oil pastel color. I can use light green color and blend it properly. This is the land portion. I can use light brown color and blend it properly. Blend it. This is brown color and blend it properly. I can draw the border. Use brown and light brown and mix it properly. I can use yellow and orange color and blend it properly. Blend it. This is land portion. This is the palm tree. I can use brown pencil color. I can border it the blue pencil color and blend it green pencil color. Draw the border and blend it. Blending. I can use light blue color and blend it properly. Color the leaf. I can use green color. Draw the flower. I can use orange and yellow color. Color the flower. I can use red color. Draw the cloud. I can use grey color and blend it properly. And blend it the blue color and the pink color, blending properly. I can draw the branch. And draw the flower. I can use yellow and orange color. Draw the leaf. I can use green color. And color the tree. And finally, draw the raindrop. It's completed. Draw the topic and the date and its classwork.
I think this class is helpful for you and you should practice it at home. See you next class. Bye.